Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal and in this tutorial we'll be unboxing our MXS 5.0 next generation battery charger. But before we start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. So let's have a look at what's in the box. The MXS 5.0 and all the accessories come with this neat drawstring carry bag. This will keep everything you need together and it'll help keep out any dirt, dust and damp. We have an instruction booklet with a full explanation of all the features, functions and benefits of the charger. This is the main charging unit. As you can see, it's got a tough sealed plastic case, power lead and a charge cable with CTEK's unique easy fit comfort connect system. You also get a clamp lead for quick connections, so easy to reach batteries, and an M6 eyelet for a more permanent connection if you've got a battery that's in a position that's difficult to get to. You can connect either of these leads to the battery positive terminal and the ground or earth lead to a suitable point on the vehicle body. Both of these leads have a Comfort Connect plug, so you can connect them to the charger quickly and securely. It also means you can add other CTEK accessories fitted with a Comfort Connect system if you need them. Thank you for watching.